Hello everyone, Happy New Year's to you. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, That Glue. The song is Glue, the artist is, I think it's USHER. Yes, and the choreography is Kevin Brantley. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, it'll be at the end of this video. Also, we are getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience, guys. Yes! Thank you everyone who has registered and booked your room. If you haven't, please do so. The playlist is up, guys. The partial playlist for beginners and intermediate is on our website. Please go to www.LMIUNOLA.com to register, to book your room, or to view the playlist. So are y'all guys ready? Let's go. there you go. That glue. Remember, I'm going to post the instructional. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.